Lost in emotion, mama's youngest. Trying to navigate life without my compass.
Some experience death and feel numbness. But not me, I felt it all and couldn't function. Seeing you that day, telling you my plans, but I was leaving you that day. You was in God's hands. He was in Elon's waiting to get with me. On my way to Texas, that's when Virginia hit me.
And I realized in that instant, our last conversation you was against it.
Told you I was going to Turks for Thanksgiving. I heard what I wanted to hear but didn't listen. You said you told G that Buck needed forgiveness. I see you with the deeds and stuff in both of her fridges. You even told Dad you wished y'all never split it. See, you were checking boxes, I was checking my mentions. Saying you were tired but not ready to go. Basically you dying without letting me know. Hey, they won't remember you. Things that break my heart is what November's do.
And T follows you. Now mind you, Diddy calls you, G finds you.
Was that your vision? Precision. While I'm reminiscing, it all
Hands up, side to side, come on!
The birds don't sing.
Side to side, come
Birds
on!
don't sing. They screeching, man.
Put them up, yes! Let's go!
The birds don't sing. The birds don't sing. They screeching, man.
Side to side, come on! Side to side, yes! Keep them high, let's go!
The birds don't sing. The birds don't sing. They screeching, man.
The car was in the driveway, I knew you were home.
By the third knock, the chill ran through my bones. The way you miss mama, I guess I should've known. Chivalry ain't dead, you ain't let her go alone. Found you in the kitchen, scriptures in the den. Half of your text that you never got to send. Combing through your dresser drawer, where do I begin? Posting noted Bible book, were you preparing then?
I can hear your voice now, I can feel your presence.
Asking should I rap again? You gave me your blessings. The way you spelled it out, there's an L in every lesson. When you open to the world, let your mess become your message. Shared you with my friends, the pops they never had. You lived for a fishing trip, damn I had a dad. Mine taught discipline, mine taught structure. Mine didn't mind when he had a full of dough. Mine worked overtime, smiled through the struggle. Cause mine wouldn't let him feel what he had to suffer. See, mine made sure he had every base covered. So imagine his pain, finding base in the cover. Words don't sing if the words don't sing. Your last few words in my ears still ring. You told me that you loved me, it was all in your tone. I thought my two sons was the code to your phone.
Hands up, side to side!
The birds don't sing.
Side to side, put them up, come on! Side to side, put them up, come on! Go! Yes, let's go!
The birds don't sing.
No, they don't!
The birds don't sing.
Keep them high, come on! Keep them high, come on! Let's go! Over again!
The birds don't sing. The birds don't sing. They screeching, man. They screeching, man. The birds don't sing.
Make sure that every single one of you are living and show them love. You show them